I don't I don't know. Let me
I
try.
guess we'll find out.
Yep.
Yep.
And when you would, as before, done this, the you hear the of a stone piece being dragged behind the door apparatus that you understand. But the door itself is not open currently.
Can anybody reach the fort? How big is this hole?
It's
Well,
it's like
didn't it, wasn't there like
Oh.
this unbreakable stone or whatever? And
There was like a foundation below, so I couldn't go below the door.
Yeah, the foundation just like went on forever.
So do I need to turn back into a badger to cover up this hole?
I mean, I'm okay with
Maybe.
it. I can just fly.
Well, that's why I was wondering how big it was. Like, was it actually like so big that it covered the whole front of the door?
Yeah, I mean, if we got the door open, could people just jump?
I remember it being a giant badger that Thea had turned into, and I think we said something like a 5x5 hole, which is about what this is. It's just kind of sitting in between a bunch of different squares, like right in the center of like 4, but it's still taking up only 1 square technically. So you guys would all have to hop over it, which 5 feet isn't too hard to hop over, I would imagine, or like lean over and like. So you could reach it. It'd just be precarious for those that are over 5 feet tall. For those that are under 5 feet tall, I don't think it would be doable.
Could we throw
Way to
Mime over like a volleyball?
They would have nowhere to stand unless the door
Why don't
itself.
you just fly over, Squall?
Oh, I can fly over. Yeah, I can do that.
Yeah.
Can you
if
pick me up,
just-
Squall? How big are you?
I'm under. I think I'm under. I know I'm under 6 feet. Let me.
How much do I weigh?
Aren't you? You're small, aren't you? Aren't you like 5 foot?
Yeah, our crocus don't get very tall or very heavy. Description. I am 5 foot, like even. 5 foot even, 115 pounds.
I can't find how much I weigh.
It's under descriptions. If you're on
D&D
I'm
Beyond.
on
yeah,
D Beyond. Where the is that?
Why is this door the biggest challenge of our entire D&D game so
But-
far? Every
Wait,
time.
can't Squall just like fly had to do last time was when Idril placed the stones down, then like we wiggled the fork and it opened.
yeah, I can do that. That's
So if you just fly over and wiggle the fork,
are the forks still there?
yeah, the fork's still in the door.
Okay. But I'm just, do my bird thing.
I mean, I feel like I have rope. So can I like throw them rope, throw it to me, and I like Indiana Jones it across?
Yeah.
There it is. My thing was locked. Yeah, I'm only 3 foot and I'm only 48 pounds.
Oh, I could you could get a running jump, I just grab you and then as a acrobatic thing, and then throw you the rest of the way, based off your
Yeah,
momentum.
we can like add rope to make this a little more. I want to say substantial, but that's not the right word.
Oh no, that's fine because I don't have a modifier for strength, so that might be a good idea. Though I can dodge a boulder, I cannot throw a boulder.
So I'm
Oh.
assuming you go over and wiggle the fork as before, and
Yes.
and in doing so, you notice the door itself is like it's clicking, Like there's like it's hitting something as if before, but it's not sliding into the ceiling currently because there was only one stone. You remember there was something about being 2 stones that needed to be
Oh
dropped
yeah.
on runes that to charge.
Oh,
I don't know where the other rune was. But Idril, did you charge both stones? Back
Thought
up?
I did.
Okay.
You charged both stones, but you didn't charge both runes. This time around.
There's another rune that needs charged.
wasn't there a rune where we found the original one?
Well, there's like 3 runes. Oh, was that the rune over this way? I forget if that's the one that took the power or gave the power.
Hujil goes wandering off into the dark tunnels.
Yeah,
Dun,
it was
dun,
like,
dun.
Mumbling about runes and stones.
yeah, it was like runes. What other runes? What do they do? Where was I? Where was this rune I saw before? I
heard
know it's over
called
here
cave
somewhere.
madness.
Cave madness.
The cave madness.
This literally feels like cave madness.
Stalactite.
It's funny because I know Josh can see where I'm going, and
Yeah.
it's probably
Stalactite psychosis.
probably very funny to watch.
It is pretty
I have a
entertaining.
question.
Yeah.
Well,
What
okay,
is
so
this door?
this one is charged
And that was where
over here.
you remember charging the stones from.
Oh, because I tried charging him at this one and it didn't. Aha!
Yeah, wasn't there like another
I
rune
charged
somewhere
this
over
one.
Ah, crap. Come on. So you do the same song and dance where you place the stone down and it goes back to its normal size and the rune begins to glow. Everyone else near the door hears the same from before as well.
Wait, the door's opening? Because
Nope.
I'm about to summon giant badgers.
Wall, do you
The
want to
door
try again?
again does not open yet. It just made the noise yet again that it had before.
I mean, yeah,
Give it another wiggle.
I'll give it another wiggle.
All right. As soon as you do that, it starts sliding up into the ceiling. Just.
Ooh. Oh. I'm gonna fly in. Oh. Okay. There's
And when you stand right there, as you flew across there, everyone hears a hissing curse of "Fuck you!" and then that same of before of the sound barrier being broke, and you see Squall, an individual, burst a light and flame. It looks like, and then disintegrate on the platform that they're standing on, and in the same instance, seem to have finished casting another spell that dissipates across the room, sending dust out across it, and the root that's at the side of the room also disintegrates, similar to them, and you just hear a of the flame spreading through the root system, just and it's flying across all the roots that you guys could tell off in the distance even, and there's just this bright, almost instantaneous flash too of the roots all disintegrating.
I'm gonna try and make the jump across.
Yeah, you guys need to get in here.
Well,
Some shit's going down.
I'm just gonna pull out some pom poms and cheer you guys from the